Welcome back, third grade. Happy New Year. We're going to get started again this week with our new vocabulary strategy, and our focus is going to be on suffixes. Suffixes are endings or letters we put on the end of a word to change the word's meaning slightly. You will see on your particular paper or your remote computer there, we have a number of words, and we're going to use those words in these sentences. We have rock, near, ice, true, careful, help, and believe. What we're going to do today is we're going to answer the questions, and when we do that, we're going to use one of the words in our word bank, but we're going to add a suffix to it to make a new word. And when we answer the question, we're going to answer it by putting the word down, and then secondly, we're going to put a definition down for the word. If you need to, you can always look the word up, but I think many of these words you'll be able to give me a definition on your own. So let's take a look at number 1 together. How are the sidewalks after a snowfall? Well, after it snows and people walk on it, oftentimes it turns to ice. So we're going to take the word ice and we're going to add a Y to it. We're going to actually drop the E and add a Y. And we're going to make a new word, and it is icy. So how are sidewalks after a snowfall? Icy. And I put for a definition, very slippery. Let's move on to number 2. What is a mountain surface like? Well, if I look at my word bank here, I know that on mountains there are lots of rocks. Now, adding an S is not the correct suffix that we want to add to the word rock. And if I look at the other suffixes, I wouldn't want to say rockable or rockful or rockly. I want to put a Y on that one, and I want to make my new term rocky. So a mountain surface is rocky, and I put for my definition, filled with rocks. Your job is going to be to do the same thing with numbers 3 through 6. You're going to pick one of the words out of the word bank, add one of the suffixes to it, make your new word, and then put down a new definition, or your own definition, I should say. As always, if you need help, let us know.